In today's video, I will showcasing the top mockups tools for UI designers, perfect for creating stunning presentation or portfolio shots. Let's kick things off with Brand Beard. The online tool enables you to craft realistic products mockups effectively, even without the prior design experience. Simply select a template, upload your design, and customize into your heart's content. Adjust the background, perspective, and more. Then download your mockup as a high-resolution image once satisfied. Next in the line is Artboard, a web design tool offering a plethora of high-quality templates for various purposes. Its intuitive user interface allows for easy creating and editing of animated mockups. Choose from a wide array of templates or start from the scratch. Then either animate your creation and export as an image. They are also Figma plugin option. Now let's dive into Mockup. A Figma plugin then simplifies the process of creating realistic mockups within the Figma environment. With a vast collection of high-quality mockups at your disposal, customization is a breeze. Select your desired makeup template, such as phone, tablet, or laptop, and effortlessly integrate your design. You can even personalize the color of the chosen devices to your liking. Rotator steps into spotlight as a specialized tool for crafting lifelike 3D product mockups and animation. Import your 2D design and transfer them into dynamic 3D presentation, complete with realistic lightings, shadows, and customized camera angles. Whenever exporting as an image or high-quality animate video, Rotator delivers stunning results. Last but not the least, we have Glorify, an online designing platform akin to Canva. With its extensive library of templates catering to social media posts, ads, device mockups, and more. Glorify offering unparalleled versatility. Its user-friendly interface ensures seamless customization, making it to go-to choice for professional-looking product mockups across e-commerce website or social media platform alike. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Be sure to check our channel for more content. I am Przemysław. See you in next video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care until next time.